Your seasonings are optional, but I chose salt, pepper, garlic powder, and I add in the green pepper and the eggs. Cook it all together. And the bacon and the cheese are for when you're wrapping it in the tortilla at the end. You can pop these things right in your fridge, and when you're ready for one in the morning, just put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. This has been in the fridge for about an hour and a half. I reheated it for the purpose of this video and to show you that the cheese is melty when you reheat it and everything's soft and warm. Except for the bacon.